Imagine your computer learning on its own instead of following fixed instructions. Sounds unbelievable? That's exactly what machine learning does. Every time Netflix recommends a movie or Google predicts your search, machine learning is working behind the scenes. Discover how this amazing technology is changing the world. Machine learning teaches computers to recognize patterns from data instead of programming every rule. Think of it like teaching a child with examples rather than giving endless instructions. Here's the shocking part. Companies like Google, OpenAI, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla use machine learning to power search engines, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, fraud detection, and AI assistance. But that's not all. The hidden secret is that the more high-quality data a model learns from, the smarter it becomes. Yet poor or biased data can produce unfair results, showing why responsible AI matters. Imagine smarter hospitals, safer transportation, personalized education, and faster scientific discoveries. This powerful revolution will transform nearly every industry, creating amazing opportunities for people with AI skills. The next breakthrough in technology could come from machine learning. Learning it today could prepare you for an unbelievable future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to NezHub Tech for more future technology insights. Like, share, and join us to explore tomorrow's innovations.